The seating area is all set up. I have a canopy above to block the sun. The tablecloth is on and all the chairs are ready for our guests. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I just took the chocolate cupcakes out of the oven. They smell wonderful and they look so nice and fluffy. I have the macaroni and cheese going here. Well, so far it's just the macaroni. I'm going to drain this off and get this put together. I'm going to whip up some little mini cornbreads. I'm going to add some chopped jalapeno peppers to make them extra special. Let's get this cornbread into the oven. The German chocolate cupcakes are frosted and ready for the party. The jalapeno cornbread is all done and it smells amazing. I just whipped up my famous coleslaw recipe. It's all ready for the barbecue. Bacon wrapped sausages with cream cheese and jalapenos on top. I've cut up some potatoes and drizzled them with olive oil. Alan's gonna put some seasonings on and stir them in. Then I'll roast these potatoes in the oven. They'll be a really great side dish. For the barbecue I'm hosting for Father's Day, I have everything ready to take out to the food service table. I have a basket with some large rectangle divided plates. These work really great for guests so that they can put all their food on and keep it separate or fix it up however they like. The plates are nice and sturdy. I have some little plates in case somebody wants just a small portion of something or to use for dessert, and some big plastic cups. I have some silverware in this little basket, spoons and forks, knives, and even some toothpicks because we're having barbecue after all, and some napkins. Our guests are here and the food is ready. We have smoked brisket, smoked teriyaki chicken thighs, the little pig shots that we made earlier with the bacon wrapped sausages, cream cheese, and jalapeno peppers, homemade macaroni and cheese, roasted seasoned potatoes, coleslaw, and I'll have a dessert in a little while, the German chocolate cupcakes. Alan's Father's Day gift is here. I can't wait till he gets home tonight to see it. I love honoring my husband Alan every year on Father's Day. Even though our kids are adults and have moved out of the house, my husband Alan is still the very best father he could ever be. Our kids are so fortunate to have such a wonderful dad, and he deserves to be honored today. We all appreciate you so much, Alan, and everything you do for our family. We love you so much, and we wish you a very happy Father's Day. I am so happy you are here today for this Father's Day tribute. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.